Hey everybody. Um, so before we get started, I've been making these videos and I've actually never really had my wife on, and she wanted to join us today, so I'm gonna get her real quick. Hey, you wanna come and be in the video? Yeah, sure, sure. Oh, there she is. There's my wife, Brittany. Everybody say hi. Hey everybody. Hey Brittany. Um, yeah, that's her. So math. All right, hey everybody. This is going to actually be probably a shorter video. This really has everything to do with how things have been going in class. There's several things we have to understand, okay? And that is this simple fact. We're talking about scale copies, okay, scale drawings. So OG is our original, scale copy is our new. And like I said, it's going to be pretty short, but my goodness, however many times you have to watch this, watch it. So, if the scale copy is bigger than the OG, the original, the scale factor is greater than 1. Always. So if you've got a scale or a original, the scale copy is bigger, that scale factor has to be more than 1. But if the scale copy is smaller than the original, then the scale factor is between 0 and 1. It's less than 1 and greater than 0. They throw in that greater than 0 part so you don't put a negative number. In other words, it's a fraction, less than 1, or a decimal. So if you're going from something bigger and the new one's smaller, please do not tell me that the scale factor is 10, 20, 30. I should be hearing 1/5, 1/3, 1/4, 2/7, something in that range. Okay? That's that. Again, let me put these up here for you to see. Scale copy bigger than the original, scale factor is greater than 1. Scale copy smaller than the original, scale factor is less than 1 but greater than 0. Okay, so here's an example. I wanted to show you what it looks like going both ways. Notice I don't have written here original or scale scale copy. But let's pretend this is the original. So we're going this way. If I'm going from a side length of 20 to a side length of 5, the scale factor is not 4. Okay? If I was to ask this in class, we'd probably hear a lot of 4s, and that's okay. We're learning. But we're going from the scale copy of 20 to the scale copy of 5. So you'd say 20 times something equals 5. 20 times something equals 5. Okay? So you would divide both sides by 20 and you have 5/20ths, which simplifies to 1/4. That should make sense. If you think to yourself, if I multiply by 5 by 4, I get 20. Then to go the other way would be 1/4. Okay? It's the opposite. But if we treated this as the original and this is the new, then the scale factor would be 4 because we're going from 5 to 20. Notice what's happening with these scale factors here. We got a scale factor of 1/4 and a scale factor of 4. Those are reciprocals. They are flipped. 1/4 flipped is 4/1 or 4. 4/1 or 4 flipped is 1/4. Okay, so it's going, but depending upon the direction, depends upon how it goes. But if you go from bigger to smaller, it's 1/4. Smaller to bigger, it's 4 in this case. But they are reciprocals. They have a relationship. Okay, we'll show this again because we got to know it. Scale copy is bigger than the original. The scale factor is greater than 1. Scale copy is smaller than the original. The scale factor is between 0 and 1. So again, I know this was a shorty episode, but we've got to get it in there. We've got to understand that, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. All right. So outro, stone math. All right. So let's let Brittany come back in to say bye. Bye, everybody. So just for those that think it's funny and think that I've drawn something to act like I have a wife, my wife drew this when she was in, there's no grade on the back, but younger, obviously. But I just thought it'd be funny. So anyways, have a wonderful day, guys. We'll see you next time. Watch out for